It'll be a 3-day event, and all the top athletes like, Inderjeet Singh, shot putter, he's from IOC. He's done with his ban. He was released from the ban, and he'll be participating here. Amya Malik from IOC, top international sprinter, will be participating. From my team, Siddhant Thingalia, he's a 110 meter hurdler, and he's the national champion, and he's one of the best hurdlers ever in India yet. And other than that, I've got a team of all the Arjun awardees and Olympians. 19 rather international athletes are participating in this meet. So if you take it as an event of maximum participation, people are going to be very less, but the quality of time is going to be very high. This is something which you can expect for these 3 days. I mean, for example, Prakash Singh, who's an Olympian in shot put, Inderjeet Singh, they have a lovely rivalry. Saurabh Vij, again, he'll be participating in that. Inderjeet Patel and Suresh Kumar from 5,000, 10,000 meters. We've got new upcoming budding athletes like Sri Kiran, Anu Kumar. They are also participating in this event. So you'll see, you won't see a lot of athletes participating, but the quality will be really high. ONGC, NRL, IOC, HPCL, and we have AOD, Assam Oil Division, and then EIL, Engineers India Limited. All the PSU companies, oil, they're part of this.
Who are the defending champions?
We have been the defending champions for the last 26 years. So, yeah, ONGC has been. Undisputedly, yes. Because it depends on how you work on your, all year long, we talent scout athletes from scholarship and we give them jobs. So we do that. And I will urge all the other oil companies to do that same,